Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to day 10. So we're blocking off the brows today. Today is very simple. I told you guys yesterday, this is what we're going to be doing for today's look. First, I go in with alcohol to dehydrate my brow area, and then I use a disposable spoolie to brush it up. And this that I'm using for my brows is a Krylon eyebrow plastic. That's what it's called. But you can definitely use the purple Elmer's glue. That would be the easiest thing for you to get. I don't know how easy it is to get this. I get this at the Pro Makeup Artist store here in New York, so it's easy for me to find stuff like this. But if you are not close to one, um, Elmer's glue will do the job. I'm just making sure to grab the little hairs. You want to make sure everything is laid flat, and I use my finger to do that to make sure it's completely flat. And then I go in with something that's closer to my skin tone as far as powder go. I'll show you guys in a little bit why I wouldn't have used a white translucent powder ideally first, or I wouldn't use that at all for my skin tone. But I wanted to make sure I do it right first so you guys can see how I would have done it opposed to if I used a white translucent powder. So I go in with my foundation. You can use your foundation, you can use a concealer. Just make sure it's full of coverage because you have the maximum impact. Now, because I have coily, very coily hair, naturally, you can see on my head and my brows, everything is not gonna lay completely flat because I still have hair in my, like I said, my hair is coarser. So some hairs that were a little stubborn will still stick up, or you'll see that it'll stick up. So that's fine. I'm fine with it. So here is what I'm telling you guys. Like, you see when I sweep it off, how it leaves a residue because of my skin tone. So you don't want to do that. You want to use a powder that's closer to your skin tone. If you are pale, a white translucent powder would be great for you, or you could use something that is your skin tone. But this is it for the look. I told you guys yesterday this would be a simple look today. I'm breaking out left and right. Y'all see that by my nose? Anyway, that is it for this look. See you tomorrow.